Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about best e-commerce website designs that will work wonders for you. It is tried and tested. Have you ever thought that people really judge a book by its cover? Of course they do. Whether it's the presentation of a food at a fancy restaurant or the latest Apple product, humans seem to just love things that are beautifully designed. The same principle applies to websites, especially in the e commerce field. If you are not presenting your visitors with the best website design and packaging your products nicely, you are definitely leaving money on the table. Attractive, cool website designs have always played a key role in a successful online sales and marketing strategy. That's because beautiful design and an excellent color palette can increase the perceived value of your products. Whether you are about to create a brand new e commerce site or you have been thinking about redesigning your current site, here we will discuss about four characteristics that makes a good e-commerce website. People judge the design of your e-commerce website the minute they land on it. In fact, studies have shown that it takes 50 milliseconds for browsers to decide if they will stay on a site or not. You get 0.05 seconds to impress users, which is why website design is so important for your e-commerce business. So the four characteristics are trust, good visual appeal, responsive format for mobile and web, and easy navigation. If we talk about trust, contact information, a return policy, technical certifications build the customer trust. Good visual appeal is essential to help customers envision your products online and click buy. Perception is everything when selling your products online. People form their first impression of your site in mere milliseconds. Think of it this way, your product photography is like an ambassador. Sharing the promise of your product online, your customer can't try, taste, feel, or wear your product before they buy. So they will rely heavily on your visuals to decide if that product is worth buying. Another idea is that limit your site to two main colors, a primary color and a secondary one. To choose your colors, you can use two great resources. Go to Dribbble to search for a color palette. For example, if you type in red, you can see examples of websites that use red in their color palette and decide which options are most visually appealing. Another key consideration is your website's accessibility. You want the colors you select to contrast enough that people of all ages and abilities can read and see your text. Lastly, you will want to give some thought to typography. Customers expect to see dynamic and interesting font on websites, not stale ones like Times New Roman. A unique header or footer can add some flourishness to your brand, while the body font will be your workhorse used for all the other copy on your website, from product descriptions to checkout instructions. As we talk about responsive format for mobile and web, according to ComScore, nearly 70% of digital media time is spent on mobile devices. Unfortunately, many e-commerce solutions don't optimize for mobile and are built only with desktop browsing in mind. This can result in a fair number of lost news sales. So if you are building your business, your store must be responsive for both. Your website navigation should help customers find your products quickly and easily. Good navigation also helps improve SEO on your site so you get found in search results. Good navigation improves the online shopping experience and helps merchants increase their sales and profits. Navigation can also influence the theme you choose. For example, if you have a large catalog of products, a theme with a bigger menu might be best for you. Next, we will discuss about some of the websites in the categories of health and beauty and food and grocery. मैं ब्रेक है, मैं देख रही हूँ आगे ना, वो नीचे है काफ़ी। अच्छा, कट कर लेना। In the category of health and beauty, Beard Brand is a sophisticated, mature, and old world approach to presenting its grooming products throughout its website design. Using a quiz and blog posts that are worth reading, the site encourages you to stick around, engage with the brand, and buy. Similarly, Kylie Cosmetics homepage. You see a picture of Kylie Jenner, a beauty icon for young people. Her endorsement immediately gives the site a huge trust and credibility boost. Each product is also well displayed on a white background. Plus, when you hover over an image, you can see a woman using it in action. Talking about food and grocery, Old World Kitchen checks all the boxes for creating an excellent shopping experience. Whether vintage styling and design that represents an established brand, or content and education that helps you appreciate the brand, and excellent product photography and presentation. Likewise, Deathwish Coffee has a really bold brand and it's not afraid to express it in its storefront. It is known for selling the world's strongest coffee and everything from the website copy to the use of red throughout its website design makes you feel like you just drank a cup of it. Deathwish Coffee knows why most people land on its site to buy its beans. Once you scroll down the homepage, the first thing you see is the option to buy ground whole bean or coffee cups. It's coffee time, Mother Funchner. In the last, I would like to advise you about some of the design tips that when you are in doubt, keep it simple, express your brand, use the best e-commerce platform for your online store such as Shopify, put yourself in a shopper's shoe, use high quality images, make it look professional, use social proof, make checkout easy, make it easy for shoppers to reach customer support. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to our channel.